Hey there, juice lovers! Are you ready to discover the ultimate green juice recipe that could totally transform your health? I'm talking about a juice so packed with nutrients and medicinal properties that it might just be the healthiest thing you can pour into a glass. Sounds amazing, right? Well, get ready to be amazed, because today I'm going to share with you the recipe for the ultimate green juice, a medicinal elixir so powerful it might just be the healthiest juice on the planet. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of this incredible juice, let me ask you something. Have you ever found yourself standing in the juice aisle at the grocery store, staring at all the options and wondering which one is actually good for you? I know I have. It can be so confusing with all the labels and claims out there. But what if I told you that the key to real health and vitality isn't in a store-bought juice, but in the simple, whole foods you can juice at home? That's right, my friends. The healthiest juice in the world isn't some fancy, expensive concoction with a million hard-to-pronounce ingredients. It's a simple yet powerful combination of veggies and fruits that you can easily make in your own kitchen. And the best part? It tastes amazing and can help you feel like a total rock star. So, what's in this magical juice, you ask? Let's take a closer look at the key ingredients that make this juice a true powerhouse. First up, we've got cucumbers. This hydrating veggie is rich in minerals and antioxidants, especially in the skin. Cucumbers are great for detoxification and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Apple. Adding a touch of sweetness to the juice, apples are also a great source of fiber and vitamin C. They can help make the juice more palatable for those who are new to juicing. Turmeric, fresh root, or powder. This vibrant yellow spice is a powerful anti-inflammatory that's been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been extensively studied for its potential to help manage various health conditions, from arthritis to heart disease. Ginger, another potent anti-inflammatory ingredient. Ginger can help with digestion, nausea, and even pain relief. It's a true superroot. Lemon. High in vitamin C, lemon juice helps boost iron absorption from the other ingredients in the juice. It also supports liver function and detoxification. Leafy greens, mint, kale, lemongrass, etc. These greens are packed with chlorophyll, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The more variety you can include, the better. When you blend all these ingredients together, what you get is a concentrated elixir of nutrients that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, give your liver some love and support detoxification, boost your immune system so you can fight off all those icky germs, keep your digestion running smoothly, give you the energy to tackle your day like a boss, alkalize your body, and so much more. But here's the really cool part. This green juice isn't just some hippy-dippy wellness trend. It's got some serious potential to be a total game changer for people dealing with chronic health issues like type 2 diabetes and high blood pressure. Now, I'm not saying it's a magic cure-all, and you should definitely work with your doctor on a treatment plan. But there's some pretty exciting research out there suggesting that the anti-inflammatory and nutrient-dense properties of this juice could be a big help for folks managing these conditions. So, how do you make this incredible juice? It's super simple. Ingredients: 1 cucumber with its skin on, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, fresh root or powder, 1 apple, juice of half a lemon, 1-inch chunk ginger, peeled, 1 handful mint leaves, 2 large kale leaves. Optional. You can add other greens of your preference such as lemongrass, rosemary, oregano, celery, etc. Instructions: always choose organic produce when possible to minimize your exposure to pesticides and other harmful chemicals. If organic isn't available, don't worry. Just use what you can find and be sure to wash everything thoroughly. Leave the skin on the cucumber and apple, as this is where many of the nutrients and antioxidants are concentrated. Just give them a good scrub first. Use a high-quality juicer or blender to extract the maximum amount of nutrients from the ingredients. If using a blender, you may need to strain the juice through a nut milk bag or fine mesh strainer to remove the pulp. Remember, you don't need to add water. For the best flavor and nutrient profile, drink the juice immediately after making it. For maximum absorption, drink your juice on an empty stomach, either first thing in the morning or at least 30 minutes before a meal. While the green juice recipe we discussed is packed with nutrients and potential health benefits, It's important to be aware of some risks and contraindications. As with any dietary change or new supplement, it's always best to consult with your nutritionist or dietitian before incorporating this juice into your routine, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications. Blood-thinning medications. If you are taking blood thinners, like warfarin, Coumadin, you should be cautious about consuming large amounts of leafy greens, as they are high in vitamin K, which can interfere with the effectiveness of these medications. Consult with your doctor to determine an appropriate balance. Kidney stones. Some individuals may be predisposed to developing kidney stones. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are high in oxalates, which can contribute to the formation of calcium oxalate stones. If you have a history of kidney stones, talk to your doctor before consuming large quantities of these greens. Thyroid issues. Cruciferous vegetables like kale, broccoli, and cabbage contain compounds called goitrogens, which can interfere with iodine uptake in the thyroid gland. If you have a pre-existing thyroid condition, such as hypothyroidism, consume these veggies in moderation and cook them whenever possible to reduce the goitrogenic effects. Blood sugar fluctuations. While this juice can be beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes, it's important to monitor your blood sugar levels closely when incorporating it into your diet. The natural sugars from the apples and carrots can cause a slight spike in blood sugar, so diabetics should consume this juice in moderation and pair it with a source of protein or healthy fat to minimize the impact on blood glucose levels. Allergies and sensitivities. Some people may be allergic or sensitive to certain ingredients in the juice, such as apples, cucumbers, or specific leafy greens. If you have known allergies or sensitivities, avoid those ingredients or consult with an allergist before trying the juice. Pesticide exposure. If you are unable to use organic produce, there is a risk of consuming pesticide residues on the vegetables and fruits used in the juice. To minimize this risk, thoroughly wash and scrub all produce before juicing, and consider using a fruit and vegetable wash to help remove any remaining residues. Drug interactions. Some of the compounds in the juice, such as curcumin in turmeric, can potentially interact with certain medications, including blood thinners, diabetes drugs, and acid reflux medications. Always check with your healthcare provider or pharmacist to ensure that the ingredients in this juice are safe to consume alongside your current medications. Gastrointestinal discomfort. For some people, consuming large amounts of raw vegetables and fruits can lead to digestive discomfort, such as bloating, gas, or diarrhea. If you are new to juicing or have a sensitive digestive system, start with smaller quantities and gradually increase your intake to allow your body to adjust. Remember, while this green juice is a fantastic way to boost your nutrient intake and support overall health, it should be part of a balanced diet and not used as a sole source of nutrition. If you experience any adverse effects or have concerns about incorporating this juice into your routine, always consult with a qualified healthcare professional for personalized advice. We've covered a lot of ground today. I hope this deep dive into the world's healthiest green juice has inspired you to give it a try and see how it can transform your health and well-being. Remember, juicing isn't just a trend. It's a powerful tool for nourishing your body on a cellular level. By incorporating this medicinal green juice into your daily routine, you're taking a proactive step towards better health, more energy, and a greater sense of vitality. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about the incredible power of juicing. And if you want even more juicing tips, recipes, and inspiration to help you live your healthiest, most vibrant life, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated when we upload new videos. Now, tell me in the comments, are you going to make this juice? To gain further insights into naturally healing your body and preventing undesirable illnesses, you may also find some other helpful videos popping up on your screen right now that I believe you'll enjoy. Thank you again for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Remember, your health is worth the squeeze. Bye.